Hello glitters, welcome to my channel. This is Kanmani from Studio Glitz. Hope you guys all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to create this eye makeup look, a green, blue, gold and shimmer eye look which is suits for brides, lehenga, reception look like that. So please watch fully, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I mention all my social media links in the description box below, where I post stories, reels and many other things. So don't forget to check it out. If you like it, please follow. So now get into the video. I will take this peachy eyeshadow as a transition color and apply all over my crease area with the help of eyeshadow blending brush. And guys, yesterday I posted two variant eyebrow look video. After that I create this eye look. If you missed that, I mentioned it end of the video. After this video, please watch that too. And with the help of small blending brush, I take that pink brown shade to create outer corner and drag it to the inner corner area. And then I blend well the both peach and pink color, both to mix well to create a gradient look. And to give depth to my crease area, I add some dark brown together. Then I take the fluffy brush to blend all the two color to mix well. Then I take this concealer, cream concealer, to cut my crease for the eye look. I apply concealer on my eyelid, center of the eyelid, and I saw upwards where it stick on the top of your eye. That is the guide to cut your crease. On that guideline, I create my crease with the help of concealer. And blending with the small beauty sponge. And I take the small fluffy brush and take some green shadow and apply it on the center of the eyelid. And press it well to stick on the shadow into a concealer. In the same brush, I flip it and take some golden color to the inner corner to give a flawless look. And I blend that golden color and green together. And I apply green shimmer shade top of the green shadow to look very shimmery. And I mix both golden color and green shimmer green look together, blend it well. After that, I apply blue matte eyeshadow to the outer corner to create a fuller look and drag it to the in between center of the eyelid. So we get a gradient look, and I blend with the crease area too. I add some blue for the bright look and slightly winged it on. And I remove the excess of the underneath my eyes. Blend together with both colors, green, blue, golden colors. With the eyeliner and mascara to finish the look. and I put some blue kajal. Yeah, after this eyeliner I put some blue kajal pencil and I blend it with the green eyeshadow. And I blend it with the green eyeshadow to give a smoothen effect, smoothen look. In the inner corner I apply some golden shadow to pop up my eyes. So I finish it off with eyelashes and some mascaras. And then I curl my lashes too. Look, so this is the final look, and I hope you will like this. And thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you all.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.